Hi guys, Flo, the consolist here with a new video. So a while ago I bought this nice pile of crap. Well, as you can see, it's an SNES. And yeah, I worked on it for myself for the little project. I don't know. I didn't want to make a video about that, but it has a strange problem that I couldn't fix. So I'll show you. If you power it on, you see I get the sync signal, I get the sound, but no picture. So I worked on that for a while. I think it's the one of the PPUs that is broken. So at the moment I don't have the not the ability, but I do not have a hot air station to remove one of those, so I cannot fix this. But if, because luck would have it, I found this, and just this. It's just the under part with the PCB inside. It looks absolutely horrible. It's full of dust, and I think, yeah, maybe this fell down. All the screw posts, as you can see, they're all broken off. So I hope this thing is working. Then I can use all the other parts from the other SNES that I cannot fix at the moment. And maybe I have a dirty but working Super Nintendo. By the way, with the other one, the problem was the fuse was blown. I replaced this because it was completely dead, and my suspicion is maybe someone put in the wrong adapter and blew some of the ICs. So I don't have a scope, not yet. And yeah, I replaced all the caps on here, but yeah, still not working. But it's doing something, so I'm not giving up on it. This will be a project for another time. So now to this one. So let's see if this is working. So I didn't try that. First I want to check the fuse. And the fuse is good. Okay. Hell, that thing had seen better days. So my hopes are not too high for this thing. Put that in. Put in the C adapter. And fingers crossed. There's a light. That's good. That's good. But so was on the other. Then let's test that. Please, 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 please. Do work, do work. My trusty Mario Paint. All connected, please. Yes! Oh, I'm so glad. Yeah. It's working, it's working. That is fantastic. So. Let's test another one. Here's my trusty multi-card. I love these things. So I have 2 of those. One is a 101. Let me fetch the other one. And this one, yeah. These are really great. Okay, I ordered these from China, of course. But yeah, seems to work fine. Okay. Let's see the reset button. Also working. Okay. Let's take it apart. So, Gamebit. So I got the screws out, got the PCB out, and that's what I'm left with. So I put this in the sink and then start working on the PCB. So let's see what's under here. Looks quite okay. I will put that in the sink also. Here's the model number. Looks all pretty good, just dusty. Then the screw for the 7805. It's just in the IPA. And there are people who want to restore these in mint condition, but these are old consoles. I think you should see it. We're getting older too, so we can't retro-bright our faces, so I don't care. The most important thing for me is that they are working. So I fetched the other part out of the sink. So the bottom came out pretty nice. Or I opened it and that is really disgusting. From the other one, look at this. And I think now I know why it's not working. Because someone spilled like... I sniffed on it. That's really, really sticky. I think that's Coke. So, someone spilled Coke in it. Yeah, so here's more. Yeah, that's pretty gross. So, up to the sink. Look at this filthy water. That's all what came off here. That's so disgusting. So now let's take a look what we have. Look at this. That came nice. That really came out nice. Yeah. So I'm happy. Now let's put it back together. If we can. Is it or is it not? Power button, reset button. These should go together. And it did. Yeah, looks pretty beat up. A well-loved console. That's nice. So. Found the threads. So. Here, one here. So here's the back from the other console. Let's see what we got. Okay. Next thing is like this. And of course I forgot something. Of course, the power switch. So opening it back up, putting that in and then test it. So I see you when I test it. So now it's really back together. And so let's see. Yeah, pretty beat up, but it's nice and clean. And I hope it's working. So let's test it. Yes. A little bit of gameplay. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope I can fix the other one, but I think that will take a little time. So I have other projects coming, so thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye.